Hey folks, so it's been a while. Let me show you this cool Facebook market find. It's a nice tractor. It's an Ariens. Well, it's a GT with a 10 horse swap in it. I gotta put some new bolts on the hood and put some headlights in, but I got it not running. I paid $600 for this. I had a bad voltage regulator. I knew that because the battery kept dying. It was 918, and somewhere down there it says 918. And yeah, well, you can see this is this is completely cold. I haven't started it, but I had to put a couple new switches in. They were all messed up. I'll redo it in the springtime, but pull the choke. Let's see. Maybe too much. Turn off the kill switch. That's good though. Yeah, that hood is a little annoying, but you know, everything works on it. I'm gonna get some bolts, mount that down. Looks like nothing spectacular, and that's the only problem, getting this all back together. But I mean, for $600, I had to do one of the lines in the back, but you know, it's got chains and weights and a wheel box, and nice little tractor. It's a kwik loader. Used to have a lip here. It came out like this, but somebody cut it and made it. Which ain't bad. Get the pump. Yeah, good score. So I got that for snow removal. Oh, and this thing I slapped together. Hydro with chains. Left the deck on for a little bit of weight. I need to take it off. That's easy. These things are cheap though. Alright folks, I just want to do a quick video of this cool Ariens GT find. Nice tractor. Alright folks, until next time, Tony out.